This is a nationwide emergency alert provided by the United States Weather System. At 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time, a landslide in the island of El Palo has created a mega tsunami that will travel through the Atlantic Ocean. This mega tsunami will hit the East Coast in the next 4 days. The United States government wants all citizens to leave the East Coast immediately, before it's too late. So please gather family and friends and loved ones and book flights to the west side of the United States. Cities that will be affected will be New York, New Jersey, Miami, Washington, D.C., Georgia, Pennsylvania, and more. To see your city is in risk, please visit www.risklist.com. May God protect you all. Thank you.